2024 Best Motorcycle for Beginners Suzuki SV650. In the realm of motorcycles tailored for beginners, the 2024 Suzuki SV650 emerges as an iconic choice, offering novice riders an optimal blend of performance, versatility, and rider-friendly features. Recognized as one of the best motorcycles for beginners, the SV650 seamlessly combines Suzuki's renowned engineering with a design that encourages skill development and the thrill of sport bike riding. In 2024, the SV650 continues to captivate riders globally, standing as a symbol of accessible performance, confidence building, and the sheer joy of mastering the art of high-performance motorcycling. 1. Timeless design with modern appeal. The Suzuki SV650 boasts a timeless design with modern appeal, striking a balance between classic aesthetics and contemporary styling. With its sporty yet approachable look, the SV650 exudes a sense of agility and performance. Suzuki's commitment to a design that transcends generations ensures that the SV650 not only delivers a visually appealing riding experience but also stands as a symbol of enduring sport bike legacy. 2. Potent V-twin engine for exhilarating performance. At the heart of the SV650 lies a potent 645 cubic centimeters V-twin engine, delivering an exhilarating blend of accessible power and smooth performance. Suzuki's engine design focuses on delivering torque across the rev range, making it an ideal choice for novice riders eager to experience the thrill of sport bike riding. The SV650's engine provides ample power for city commuting, spirited rides, and highway cruising, offering a versatile platform for riders to explore the dynamic world of high-performance motorcycling. 3. Nimble handling and sport-tuned suspension. Designed for nimble handling, the Suzuki SV650 features a lightweight chassis and sport-tuned suspension that contribute to its responsive and agile characteristics. The bike's balanced geometry and precise handling make it easy for beginners to confidently navigate through city traffic, master cornering techniques, and experience the excitement of sport bike dynamics. The SV650's nimble nature enhances its approachability, allowing riders to comfortably develop their skills and savor the thrill of dynamic rides. 4. Comfortable seating and rider-friendly ergonomics. Crafted for comfortable riding, the SV650 features a rider-friendly ergonomic setup. The sport bike offers a neutral and comfortable seating position, mid-mounted foot controls, and an optimized riding posture, ensuring riders can enjoy extended journeys without discomfort. Suzuki's commitment to rider comfort makes the SV650 not only a high-performance option but also a practical and enjoyable companion for daily commuting, spirited rides, and longer excursions. 5. Integration of modern features. The 2024 SV650 seamlessly integrates modern features to elevate the overall riding experience. A contemporary instrument cluster, advanced electronics, and Suzuki's engineering excellence add essential functionality without compromising the bike's accessibility. Suzuki ensures that the SV650 remains a technologically advanced choice, appealing to riders who appreciate the fusion of cutting-edge performance with essential safety features. Conclusion. The 2024 Suzuki SV650 stands as a global icon of entry-level sport bike excellence, securing its position as one of the best motorcycles for beginners. Its timeless design, potent V-twin engine, nimble handling, comfortable ergonomics, and integration of modern features make it an unrivaled choice for novice riders venturing into the world of high-performance motorcycling. Whether mastering the basics, conquering twisty roads, or embracing the thrill of high-speed riding, the SV650 encapsulates the spirit of Suzuki's dedication to crafting motorcycles that redefine the boundaries of accessible sport bike greatness. As a symbol of accessible performance, confidence building, and the joy of mastering the art of high-performance motorcycling, the 2024 Suzuki SV650 rightfully claims its place as a global legend in the realm of motorcycles for beginners.